Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today we have got the Google Chromecast HD and we are going to be unboxing it. So first we're going to open it up. Then we've got the beautiful Chromecast itself. Got the remote. We're going to look at that later. Got some instructions. We've got the power bricks you can see there. We're going to look at these. So we're going to do the nice satisfying pull tab, like why not? And then we're going to have a look. So this is just like a quick start guide of what to do, etc., what's included. These are some legal notices, no one reads that. Right, so we're going to get the box out. Oh wait, obviously we need the cable first. So we're going to take that out, and we get two AA batteries, or two AAA batteries for the remote. So we're going to move the box out the way. So first we need to turn our TV on over here. So it's going to turn on when it decides to work. There we go. And now we're going to get the remote. We're going to open up. So we're going to, oh, where are we? We're going to open up the remote here. We're going to slide it up. It's satisfying. And then as you can see here, we've got the beautiful Google Chromecast remote. So we're going to insert the back. Sorry for that short break, but here's the remote again. And we're going to take it. Oh, this is a hard one. We're going to open it. There you go. And we're going to get the batteries over here. As you can see, I've got my keys here to open them. Straight through. Oh, we got that. I think we got that. There you go. Get it all out the way. Alrighty, so now we're going to place them in the remote. This is the first remote I've ever seen that they both go the same way. It's really weird. Okay, so now I'm going to take over the video for now from my cameraman, and we're going to get camera woman, sorry. We're going to get the brick out. Sorry, I'm going to give that back. I'm going to give that back a second. Whoa, that was close while I get my power brick out. Ooh, that didn't go as planned. That didn't go as planned. You can see hear my cameraman, camera woman laughing the lives away. Did that come all off? Okay, that's all off, I think. Okay, now we're going to get this lovely, I love these things that Google, these little clips. I always use them for my other cables, so we're just going to pop that there. And my camera woman's going to take them and keep them safe. We're going to put this one here. So I'm going to take over now. And we're going to get this over here. Oh, my hand's in the way. We're going to get this. And we're going to come back to the back of my TV. We're going to plug it in over there. You can see the power supply. And it's all over here, there, and everywhere. So we're going to... No, that one doesn't go in there. So sorry. So it's going to go in there. And then we're going to take it. And we're going to plug this supply in. And then it's going to sit there just for now. So over here we've got the thing itself. So we're going to open it. Slide it out. Oh, the TV's about to turn off, look. So sorry, we'll turn it back on. So we've got the brick itself, or the stick thing. And then how this works is it goes in the back, it plugs into your TV. So in my case it's going to plug into HDMI 1, without my TV falling and dying. And then you take this thing, so I'm going to take this and plug it into the bottom, but I'm just going to put you down for now. So, sorry, give me 2 seconds. So look, it's plugged in like that. And then we're going to turn my TV back on. It's going to turn on a minute. Oh, got lots of stuff here, so we're just going to put those to the side. Because we need the remote, which is, oh look, it's got a nice light, luminescent light. Oh, I need to just clip this in. Otherwise it's all wrong and ring. So it's telling me that it's wrong, so I'm just going to push the OK button without turning my TV off, which apparently I just did. So we're going to turn it back on. So for this, you're going to need the Google Home app. So I've got my telephone over, who calls it a telephone? My cell phone over here. While this turns on, so it's turning on right now. See, look, we've got the nice Google thing, like why not? Oh, found the remote. Isn't that good? Okay, so set up with Google Home. Okay, So what we need to do is we need to go, oh, we don't want that. So we need to go onto my phone. We're going to go into the Google Home app. You can see my phone needs charging soon. That's not good. So I've got a preview, thank goodness, because I'm lucky. So we're going to go to, I forget how, close, I don't care. So you have to go to device, well, this is the new one. So add new device. Push it to house. Next. Deny. Oh, sorry. Add new home. Sorry, you can't see my address. Allow. Oh, sorry. Apparently this isn't liking me. Okay. Let's just go back and we say skip. Oh. So apparently it doesn't like me. So you can't see my house. Right, so I'm going to enable my location services. And it's going to load it. It's looking for the devices. So hopefully it's going to find our beautiful Chromecast. And this fits in really well with my Google Home over here. So I have a beautiful Google Home Nest Hub. So here you go. Would you like to set up Google Chromecast? Yes, we would. Camera permissions, scan a code. And we're going to go there. And it's going to should officially, there you go. So we can scan the QR code. It's scanned it. And it should be realizing, there we go. And my cameraman's going to come back now. She's going to hold this while we go through the setup. Whenever she's ready. So she's going to hold that for me and she's going to point it to my phone over here. So as we can see, let me turn my brightness down a bit. So we're going to turn this off. Right a bit. Oh, I want to see that. I think, so we could set, so if you look here, we can set up with the TV instead. But you can set it up with the TV instead on the remote, but obviously that's going to take forever. So that only happens if all else fails, which looks like it is. So we're going to go with the TV. Okay, so you can see our Wi-Fi, and then she's going to show it away, so she doesn't see our password. Not like, why not look at my dirty room? That's also my studio, without looking at my bed. And obviously, so actually, instead of doing this, she's going to turn back to me, and we're going to try something else. We're going to try again with the. We're going to try this again. So it's going to look for the device. Looking for devices. See, so we're going to set up. And it's going to scan the QR code. Whenever it's well, good and ready. There you go. So it's got a nice big tick. Now it's going to go. Now this is where we were earlier, and then there was a problem. So I don't know if it's my version of Google Home or my phone, and we're going to go with setup on TV instead. So now we're going to look at the TV. Obviously we're going to look away. Just going to point it there. It's going to see a black screen for now. Just while I set this up. Because, like, why not? And we're almost done. 2 more characters, or letters, whatever you want to call it. And not now, and you guys can look. So it's connecting to our internet, our very, very bad internet, might I add. It says connected. So now I think we're gonna go to the Google account section now. So we're gonna go to the Google account section, and hopefully we can get this up and running. So my sister's gonna show my camera girl's gonna show there. So just while this loads, because hopefully when we get to the Google section, so it's downloading a system update. So we will be back very, very shortly. So guys, we're back to this setup, and look, we're going. So you can see here it's saying connecting to Chromecast, but that was, see you go there. Oh my gosh, it's working.
It's connecting.
And there's my cameraman. So follow the instructions on the Google Home app. So, waiting. The depths of all despair. Oh, we're connected. We're connected. We're connected. Oh my god. Oh, did you see my email there? Naughty, naughty. We're gonna go to accept. Where is this device? Downstairs. Connect to Wi-Fi. Next. I'm also gonna ask for my password. Don't show this. My password is very long and tedious, so I bet if you showed it, I bet you still wouldn't remember it. So connecting to Wi-Fi as it shows on the screen. Boom chakalaka, and my camera girl is gonna shut up now. Yes, I said it. And be careful before I fire you. So look at the screen. Look at the screen. Here you go. So without it seeing my email, we're gonna sign in with Google. Look, sign in with my Google account. So continue. Oh, look. Oh, okay, you can look. So you can see here it is. Oh, we couldn't sign in, so we're going to try again without seeing the account this time. Signing in. Don't look at my account. Okay, you can look at my account. You can look at it. You can look. You can just see the gmail.com, so it's saying I must verify that it's me on my phone. And it's asking for my password on my phone, which no one can see because actually I changed it so my camera girl could not get into it the other day. And her friends, because they're annoying and then I don't want them going through my phone. You can see the end of my email. Okay, so there's a software update. So it's going to download. Back again. So we are going to leave you with a bye-bye. We'll be back in a short time. Hey guys, we are back and look at this. Look at all this jazz. So we want Spotify. Without my sister going in. We want Spotify. We want, not YouTube kids. We want BBC Sounds, Disney, YouTube Prime. Stop it! Then we're going to go confirm. Look, it's installing the apps! Macarena. Control volume and power, set up remote. To set up volume and controls, use what your TV. Oh, I'm a Toshiba. I'm a Toshiba. You'll hear music, okay. Toshiba. No, don't. Oh no, I said no. Oh, I should have said no. Sorry, wait, back. Toshiba. I think I have a Toshiba. Yeah, it's a Toshiba. Okay. Do the volume buttons work? No. Okay, point out to... No. I hate it when this happens. No, it doesn't work. No. Still not working, buddy. No. Too, because if I play it with my... Then now it works with the TV remote, but it doesn't work with the Google remote, so no.
Oh dear,
No. No. Okay, give me 2 seconds, please, guys. I just need a... We're back. No.
Push that one.
Thank you, Sherlock. No, the volume buttons don't work. No. See, with fire sticks it's so much easier, just like 10 seconds and literally it's done. No.
Sugar, 5 sticks then.
Hush it! There's camera girl, not a talker.
Shut up.
No, they don't work. No. This one might better work because this is the last one. No! It looks like you can control the volume on this device. Oh my gosh! I'm going to try the power button. Press once. No. apparently we're just gonna say yes because nothing works. So we're gonna have to have two things, but it's annoying. But my camera girl is actually gonna point it at the flipping TV. Ridiculous. She's gonna be fired. I'm joking. She can't be fired. She's just my sister. She's lovely though. Boop. But she bites, so I would be careful. She bites. Just show the people the camera, please. She has to be very careful when she bites, because she's like really hard biter. I'm gonna take the camera now, and you're not gonna bite me. And he's hopefully this works. So hopefully it's going to play. Look, it's almost done. Look, just needs to get over there, and then there's one more bar. Black sheep, have you any more? Hey Google, shut up. We'll be back once the apps are installing. Bye. Hey guys, we are back, and my camera girl is going to take it. She's going to take it. And we are back. You can see over here. So your Chromecast with Google TVs. Ready? So we're going to say start exploring. So here we are. I mean, look at it. We're going to try watch it. I wonder if it's asks you to sign in or watch now. So you'll have to sign in and all that jazzy juke. But let's go on to YouTube.
Juke.
Let's go on to YouTube.
I don't like YouTube.
We're going to go to YouTube. We're going to see if we can
And
play.
watch our videos.
We're going to see if we can play the best channel ever. Who's watching? Adam Schultz. We're going to see if we can play the best channel ever. Just record. Just going to see if it works. And if it plays this, then it can play anything. Because, I mean, my channel's amazing. Like, that's not debatable. My sister's imaginary channel being amazing is debatable. Shut up! Shut up, sissy. Okay, so there you go. Oh, sorry, I pushed the wrong button, guys. Let's untie a bridge. So we're going to go to using a tablet as a PC. So we're going to use
a big thanks
there you go.
to the people who has helped me get to
We're gonna
1,000 views.
finish this
And please
video
hit
with
that
one of
subscribe
our
button.
videos.
Give me a thumbs up and put the bell notification.
Thanks guys for watching, and today this is the whatever date it is, and we'll see you all in the next one. Bye.